Alright, good day and welcome to today's construction class. My name is Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Michael Tech. Alright, so we'll be considering this problem number 4 as displayed on the screen. We'll be converting it to isometric drawing using the Autocad software. Alright, isometric drawing using the Autocad software. Alright, take note of this. Our lowest point is this area here. This area, not this area, is this area here. So with that in mind, then our object will be viewed in this manner, like this. Now this is the plan, that is our plan, and this is the plan here also. And on our plan, this is the mark A, which is the lowest point. So if I shift this to my elevation like this, okay, like this, now this area here is still my mark A, and that is not the lowest point. Okay, the lowest point must be in this area. The lowest point must be in this area where I produce my 30-degree projection plane. That should be where the lowest point is. So definitely this area is our market, but not on the lowest point here. So we need to adjust it to the what, to come here. And when we are adjusting it to come there, it's going to be like this. Yes. And now this is our mark A. This is the lowest point. So this is how our object is going to look like by the time we draw it. Okay, this is how it's going to look like. This is how it is going to face by the time we draw it. So take note of that. Alright, so let me wipe all of this out. Okay, with that being settled and done, then let us draw. Okay, so I'm going to pick let me use a polyline in this time around. Okay, with my polyline, and I'm going to draw a line of 20 mm. Enter. Okay, going to extend. Yeah, so I made a mistake. Before I start drawing, I need to actually switch on my ISO draft. Okay, let me escape first. I need to switch on my ISO draft, then I'm going to set it to plan, to top, ISO draft top. Okay, and this my polar tracking will be set to the multiples of 30, 60 and the likes. Okay, so take note of that. Okay, so back to our problem right here. I've drawn a line of 20, we use the height over there, 20, 100, 20. So from here, as 30 degree is going to be mark of 100. Enter. Okay, and the height here is going to be 20, 75, that will be 55. The height here is going to be 55. Enter. 20. Enter. +75 +40, that's 115. 115. Enter. At 20, enter. At 40, enter. Then back to this area here. So with my line as 30 degrees, I draw this. With my trim, I trim this and this. So take note of that. Alright, so I'm going to type UCS icon, no origin. Okay, so that one can disappear out of the way. Alright, so with that settled right there, I'm going to come here. Okay, at that bottom, width of 110. at 30 degree, 110, enter. Your height of 20, enter. So coming here, I'm going to enter 20 first, enter. So 20, 70 and 20, enter. So take note of those spots right there. Okay, this will be 110, enter. Yeah, 20, enter. Then right here to that junction, 20, enter. Then right here to that junction, okay, 20, enter. Right here to this junction, and another right to this area. Then with my extend, okay, with my line also likewise to this, and here and here. You see that in that order. Okay, so with my line from the midpoint here, I come in, okay, 60, 40 minus 10, 30. So I come in here like this at 30, enter. So towards this side at 10, enter. At 20, enter. 20, enter. 20, enter. Then close right there. So with my trim, I trim this area out, and with my line I produce this, so I have that area secured. Okay, with my line also, looking at it, if from 20 we are left with 55 there, out of the 55, 25, 30, 30, 10, that will be 20. So with my line from here, from this midpoint here, at a mark of 20, enter. I move here at a mark of 10, enter. 20, enter. 20, enter. 20, enter, and lock it up here. Okay, then with my line from here all the way inside like this, then with my trim, I trim this out. I'm going to zoom this, trim this, trim this. Okay, and that is our object. Okay, I'm going to trim this off also like this. Yeah, and that is the perfect illustration of our object as displayed in the problem given. All right, so kindly ensure you subscribe to this channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Once again, my name remains Oluwatunbi Blessing Olalekun, the founder of Michael Tech. Thank you.